Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation in the donation management system. Hi, I'm Devogal.
And I am Luke Aichel Antonio.
I'm Clarence B. Hernale.
And I am Rainier Jorex Lee.
So hi guys, let's talk about the login form. The login form defines two arrays of valid usernames and passwords. Checks if the entered username and password are valid by using the contains methods of the array.asList method. If the credentials are valid, it creates a new instance of the main page class and sets it to visible, then disposes of the current login form instance. If the credentials are invalid, it shows an error message using JOption print. Main method. The main method is the entry point of the application. It uses Swing utilities that invoke later to run the GUI on the event dispatch thread, which is a requirement for Swing applications. The runnable instance creates a new instance of the login form class and sets it to visible. In summary, this code login form with the username field, password field, and login button. When the button is clicked, it checks the credential against a predefined list of valid usernames and passwords. If the credentials are valid, it opens a new window called main page and closes the login field. If the credentials are invalid, it shows an error message. So the main page will be discussed by Luke Antonio.
Game. Thank you. Once logged in, users are greeted with the main dashboard. It provides an overview of critical donation metrics. Let's explore the donation management system's main dashboard powered by the main page Java. Let's begin by launching the application to see its key features and functionalities. As you can see, the dashboard is neatly organized with various tiles displaying important statistics. Each tile represents essential data related to our donation management system. At the top of the dashboard, we have a warm welcome message providing users with a friendly greeting as they access the system. At the bottom, there's a logout button that allows users to secretly log out of their session whenever necessary. Let's click on the logout button to demonstrate how seamlessly it returns us to the login screen. Upon clicking the logout button, the system efficiently closes the dashboard and returns us to the login screen, ensuring a smooth transition between sessions. Moving to the menu bar, located at the top, we can have two main menus, Manage and Report. The Manage menu provides options to handle donors and donations. Clicking on Donors opens a form where we can manage donor information while donations allow us to handle donation records. And next, let's demonstrate by clicking on Donors to show how it opens up to the donor form. As you can see, the donor form provides fields to input and manage donor details, enhancing our ability to maintain accurate records within the system. Now, let's navigate back to the main dashboard. Next, under the reports, we have an option to generate report. This feature enables us to compile comprehensive reports based on donation data. Let's click on Generate Report to showcase its functionality. Upon selecting Generate Report, the system promptly generates and displays a report summarizing key metrics such as total donations and donor statistics. This feature enhances our ability to track and analyze donations trend efficiency. And lastly, let's explore the dashboard tiles and their content. In the center of the dashboard, you'll notice several tiles presenting vital statistics such as total donors, total donations, monthly donations, and new donors. These tiles provide a snapshot of our system's performance and help us monitor critical metrics in real time. That's it for our demonstration of donation management systems main board donation. Powered by main Java. Now we go on to the managing donors presented by Clarence Ginarle.
Now, let's dive into managing donors. In this feature, users can add, edit, delete donor information. So, hello everyone. Today we'll explore the functionality of donor-form.java, which allows us to manage donor information within our donation management system. Let's dive right into it. First, let's launch the application to showcase the donor form interface, where we can efficiently add, edit, and delete donor records. Here, we have the donor form interface, designed for seamless management of donor information. It consists of a donor list on the left and input fields for donors' details on the right. On the left side, you'll notice the donor list displayed in a scrollable pane. This list shows existing donors stored in our system, providing quick access to their information. Let's demonstrate how easy it is to add a new donor. Simply fill out the name, email, and phone number fields in the form on the right side. Upon clicking the Add button below the form, the system instantly adds a new donor to our database and updates the donor list accordingly. Next, let's explore the functionality of editing and deleting donors. Selecting a donor from the list allows us to edit their information directly in the form fields. Upon clicking the Edit button, any changes made to the donor's details are immediately updated in our database. Similarly, clicking the Delete button removes the selected donor from our records, providing a streamlined process for managing our donor database. To conclude the presentation of this feature, donor-form.java enhances our ability to maintain accurate and up-to-date donor records within the donation management system. Pass to you, Rainier Dorex D.
Thank you, Clarence Hernale. Moving on, managing donations. Using Kintrack, update donation details seamlessly. Good day, everyone. Today we're going to explore donation form Java, an integral part of our donation management system. This module enables us to efficiently manage donations, ensuring transparency and accuracy in our records. Let's let's dive into the functionalities together. Let's begin by launching the application to reveal the donation form interface. The interface is designed to facilitate the management of donations, features a donation list on the left and input fields for donation details on the right. On the left side of the interface, you'll notice the donation list displayed within a scrollable pane. This, this list provides a comprehensive view of all donations made, allowing quick access their details. Proceed by demonstrating how easy it is to add a new donation. By entering the donor ID amount and date into the corresponding fields on the right side of the form. We can seamlessly add donation to our records. Upon clicking the Add button below from the system instantly updates the donation list within the new entry, ensuring real-time synchronization with our database. Next, let's explore the functionalities for editing and deleting donation records. Selecting a donation form, the list enables us to modify its details directly in the input fields. Click the edit button allows us to make change and select donations information, which are promptly updated within a donation list upon confirmation. Similarly, clicking the delete button removes the selected donation from our records, providing a streamlined process for managing our donation database effectively. Conclusion, the donation form Java empowers us to manage donation efficiently within our donation management system in intuitive interface and robust functionalities ensures accurate and transparent records of all donations. Hey Dave, discuss the generate reports.
Thank you, Jorex. Lastly, the system allows for generating reports summarizing donation activities. For the last, we discussed report perf.java, a crucial component of our donation management system that generates comprehensive reports based on our donation data. Let's dive into how this module enhances our ability to analyze donation trends and financial insights. Let's start by launching the application to showcase the report form interface. This interface is designed to display a dynamically generated report summarizing key metrics from our donation records. Upon launching the application, you'll notice the report form interface displaying a text area with a dynamically generated report. This report provides a concise summary of our donation activities, including the total number of donations made and the cumulative amount donated. The report is automatically generated based on the current donation data stored in our system. By leveraging the donation data model, we calculate essential metrics such as the total number of donations and the sum of all total of all donation amounts. The generated report offers valuable insights into our donation statistics. It includes total donations, the overall count of donations recorded in our system, total amount, the aggregate sum of all donation amounts presented in dollars. Conclusion, this report form.java empowers us with a clear overview of our donation performance through its intuitive report generation feature. This enables us to make informed decisions and track our progress effectively within our donation management system.